All right, we've got a couple more problems to get through with solving for the exact trig ratios. Problem number 5, we've got theta is equal to 150 degrees. So if we start with that, I already know I'm between 0 and 360, so I don't have to worry about a coterminal angle. What I do need to figure out is my reference. So I know this is 180, I know this is 90, so 150 is going to be somewhere between it. So I know I'm in quadrant 2. Now the question is, how close am I to the x-axis? And the answer is I am 30 degrees away. So using 30 degrees, which is right here on my trig chart, I can fill in sine, cosine, and tangent. So sine is going to be 1/2, cosine is going to be root 3 over 2, and tangent is root 3 over 3. Now using those three, I'm going to find my reciprocal 3. So cotangent would be the reciprocal of tangent. So 3 over root 3, when you rationalize that, that just becomes root 3. Cosecant's the reciprocal to sine, so that's going to be 2, and secant's the reciprocal to cosine, so 2 over root 3. Rationalize, please and thank you. So I've got my 6 values, but I need to recognize that in quadrant 2, not everything's positive. So if I slide over so I can see the plus part, I know in quadrant 2, sine is positive and its reciprocal is positive, of course. So I'm going to go through cosine, tangent, cotangent, and secant will all be negative, with sine and its reciprocal of cosecant. These two are the positives. Everything else is negative. So that's 150. I'm going to go ahead and slide this over so I can see the other half. So let's see, negative 270. So negative 270, I'm going to go ahead and add 360 to that. Let's see what we end up with. I have a feeling that's 90 degrees, but let me double check. It is 90 degrees. Okay. So 90 degrees is going to be at the very, very top here. On the y-axis, it's the point 0, 1, which means, again, I'm on an axis, so reference angle, not so much. All right, it's not applicable in this case. But I can use the idea that this ordered pair right here is cosine sine. All right, so I've got the cosine is 0, sine is 1, tangent is going to be sine divided by cosine, so that's undefined. Cotangent would be 0 over 1, so that's just 0. Cosecant's the reciprocal to, cosecant's reciprocal to sine, so that's going to be 1. And secant's the reciprocal to cosine, so that is undefined. Except apparently I can't spell the word undefined. Let me see if I can get rid of this. All right, so I was looking to just get that piece of it. Okay, undefined. Okay, so that's problem 5 and 6. I'll go ahead and cut the video here so we can keep chopping it up into little pieces. I'll do 7.